All right, we are in here and we are ready to go. Okay, my name is Marcus Bailey, and I am the owner of HunnyBAcres Microfarm, currently located in Cleveland, Washington. Kind of quiet because everybody in my house sleep, and I'm burning the midnight oil, so we got to get it done. Um, anyway, I want to go ahead and show you guys property number one. Trying to get $20 from 200,000 people. Well, as many people as I can help me purchase a property and put in infrastructure and grab equipment because I have verbal contracts in place right now to deliver produce and livestock to various restaurants and other nonprofit organizations. And if your restaurant or nonprofit organization would be so kind as to want to help in building a farm with me and building a long, sustainable relationship as far as producing produce for your farm or pork for your farm, if that's what you're into. We definitely would like to hear from you. The link will be in the description of our fundraiser. We really just kind of trying to ask as many people as we can for $20, you know what I mean? With the promise of actually giving those people back their $20 with profits from the farm. So anyway, here we go. We're going to take a look at property number one. All right, that's property number one. I haven't done any due diligence on this property. It's located in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Tuscaloosa County, Alabama. I don't know if it's zoned for any agricultural use. I'm just taking a look at it just to kind of look at it on the surface. I have reached out to the agent in the person here. Some motor financing may be available, so that would be absolutely amazing. But 12 plus acres is on private pond and lake in Tuscaloosa. Now, 12 acres, I'm sure I can find somewhere to put some pigs. The only reason I'm, I don't have to have hogs, but I really have a verbal agreement with some restaurants to, some barbecue restaurants. They want to do some business with Black Farm, so they know I raise pigs, and I'm like, hey, if y'all order them from me, I'll grow them for you. And they like, yeah, man, bring it. We got the same kind of idea going on with sweet potatoes right now too. But anyway, there's only one photo. I'm gonna read this out. $49,995 for sale by owner. Gorgeous 12 plus, give or take, acre parcel with power real close by and abundant year-round natural spring feeding a beautiful private lake, hardwoods, nature, privacy, and only 25 minutes from campus and 12 minutes from the new Publix on Rice Line. This building site allows an owner to get far enough away from the congestion and crowding in town, but still be in striking distance of restaurants, banks, gas, medical, etc. Call, text this guy. So, I mean, that's, really what I want to do is take a little property just like this, and I want to put a series of buildings, off-grid buildings on that on that land, and it'll serve as, kind of my living space. One of those, I'm gonna look into getting some of those low sheds. People be getting them away all the time. You know what I mean? But if I raise enough money, I guess I'll be able to get one. And if I raise enough money, I'll probably I'll definitely contract a black-owned business to build it out. That's kind of the beauty of the whole thing. You know, I kind of want to spread the love amongst, you know, Black entrepreneurs. You know, all of us need to kind of work together to kind of get the things we want to accomplish. So, you know, that's why I'm asking all these folks for $20 now. Now I don't get, you know, no more pictures. You know, like I said, I've reached out to this guy. Just from the map, it don't look too bad. You know, between, you know, Tuscaloosa right here, metropolitan Tuscaloosa right here. This is Northportish up here. Actually, it's even deeper than that. Can't really get in a good idea of it right here. I don't think it is about the Northport area up here. And this is, you know, most of Tuscaloosa. So it'll be a nice little property for me. You know, if I can get the money to buy it, that's what I'm going to darn do. And this is property number 1. All right. Thanks for looking at this potential property with me. I really appreciate if you kind of help me get this thing going. Like, I'm tired of talking about it at this point. It's just I want to go on and make it happen. So I'm asking as many people as I possibly can for $20. Ask people in your house. You know what I'm saying? If you and your family want to do your good deed for the month, and all of y'all want to doll up and give me $20 a piece. You know what I'm saying? Like, I sure appreciate it, man. I appreciate y'all, you know. And we'll make sure y'all get y'all money back off proceeds off of this farm. That's all you know, that's the only thing I could really, you know, feel like I could promise and deliver is giving you your money back. So I'm asking you for an interest-free loan, basically, pretty much. But, you know, that's, you know, I'm trying to make sure everybody get their money back. So, that's it for this property. And I guess I'm going to move on to the next one. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your donations. Please like and share. Somebody you think can give me $20 too.